Using a big palette knife to put down some paint is probably the easiest way to start a page. It's a great way to get over all that white space. Before I do journaling, I am going to kind of make it so that you can see the flowers a bit more. So I think I'm going to use this mixture right here, but just lighten it up a little bit with some white. This might be too. I need something a bit lighter. Let's see. Whenever I went back over the flowers with the darker color pencil, I just used black. It really helped the flowers to stand out. And then after that, I just added my journaling, and that was about it for this page. I hope this helps you kind of start a new process when you're starting a page. All right, I'll see you for day 9. Have a great day. Bye.